guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this neutral glam look for you guys. I noticed that some of you wanted to see a more neutral everyday look and still a little glam. And then I did do a poll over on my Instagram asking if you guys preferred natural or dramatic makeup looks, and I was shocked. Most of you preferred natural, and I figured if you're following me, you love drama, but I respect it. So here it is. This is the look that I'm doing for you guys. I hope you neutral babies love it. And if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Tarte Cosmetics Tartelette and Bloom palette. I'm first going into Smarty Pants. With my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running the shadow through my crease all the way to the inner corner. Going back and forth. And then start doing circular motions to start blending out this shade. And then I'm going to start kind of winging this out just a little bit. To darken up my crease, I'm picking up Rebell. I'm picking the shadow up on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first tapping this on this outer corner and then start tapping this towards this outer third right here. And then doing circular motions to start blending this up into the crease. I'm going to keep most of this darkness just on this outer corner. And then once again doing that slight winged out shape. What I do is I kind of place the brush right here, just blend out, and then from that outer corner just blend in. And then when I have barely anything left on the brush, I'll start just lightly bringing that towards the inner corner. Now I just picked up a little bit more, and I'm going to tap that on this outer third once again. I want to keep this entire inner part of my lid free of any shadow for now. And then doing that same step, just winging that shadow out and blending that up. And then lightly through the crease on this inner part. And then going back in with Smarty Pants to blend these two shadows together. And now while I'm using those two shadows, I'm just going to mimic my crease and my lower lash line. So first going in with Smarty Pants and my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, just running that back and forth. And then with Rebell and my Sigma E20 short shader brush, I'm applying this really close to my lash line. And then I'm going to start smoking that out. I'm using the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. I'm picking this concealer up on my Sigma Concealer F70 brush, and I'm going to start applying this on my lid. And then I'm going to kind of create a soft cut crease. And then make sure to blend that concealer out with the other shadows. I'm picking up Funny Girl. I'm going to apply the shadow with my finger just because I feel like metallic-y or foiled shadows apply better and more opaque with my finger. Now going into Firecracker, and then picking up this shadow and applying it on this outer corner with my finger again. And then tapping that over this lighter shade in the center. And then going back in with my blending brush just to make sure everything is blended through. To line my lash line, I'm picking up Activist. With any natural look, I like to just line my upper lash line with a darker shade just so my lashes have a little bit of darkness and more fullness to them. So I'm just applying the shadow with my Sigma E65 small angle brush. And I don't want it to look too harsh. I kind of want it to look nice and soft and slightly blended out. And then with whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to kind of create a small little wing just to help elongate the eyes a little more. And just feather that back in. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Charmer. Now I'm just going to highlight the high point of my brow bone just to give my brow a lift, and I'm using my Sigma E32 Exact Blend Brush. And lastly, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with Funny Girl. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Esquito lashes in Gin and Tonic. Obviously, you don't have to apply lashes. You could just apply some mascara and you'd be good to go. And that's the eye look done. So for my lips, I'm going to keep them nude, just like the entire look, and nice and neutral and nude. So I'm going to try out this new liquid lipstick. I hope it's a liquid lipstick. I think it is. It's by CoverGirl. It's part of their Queen collection in Major Shade. And the shade of the liquid lipstick is Cakewalk. Looks like a really pretty nude, so I can't wait to try it out. Okay, so now I definitely know that this is a liquid lipstick. It goes on more of a creamy formula. It kind of feels velvety and like a cream liquid lipstick rather than like those liquidy liquid lipsticks, but it completely dried down matte and transfer proof. Nothing there, which is a plus and definitely affordable. So I really like it, and it feels really lightweight on lips, which is a plus again. So now I have no highlight on, and I'm so excited to try this product out. I have not tried it yet, so it's gonna be the first time here, and you guys are gonna see it. And I honestly, I don't even want to touch it just because the packaging and the product itself, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, are you guys ready? I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen this, but this is my first time trying this out, and look at that. I am obsessed with rose gold and floral, and to have those two in a packaging is just amazing. I just don't even want to touch it. I just like want to put it somewhere and just let it live like that so I could see it forever and ever. So this is the Smashbox and Vlada collab, and this is the Petal Metal highlighter, and look, the highlighter is even a rose. Oh my god. So this one is Gilded Rose. I think mine doesn't have a name on it, but I think it's Gilded Rose, and I'll have it linked down below exactly what the name is. It's so beautiful. So I'm excited to try this out. I think it's like a golden highlight with some pink reflect in it, so I cannot wait to try it. I said try it like 50 times, but I'm excited. So I'm going to apply this on the high point of my cheek using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. And that's it. This is a completed look of my neutral glam makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do really love this look, and I love that soft cut crease. I don't know why, I just really like it. And I do love my drama and colorful and smoky looks, but sometimes it's nice just to tone it down and have a little neutral look for every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this highlight, it is more of a subtle highlight, but it is so pretty, and I feel like if you spritz the brush with a little bit of setting spray or just maybe apply like a cream highlight on the bottom, that could definitely make it pop even more. And I'm not hating that it's subtle. I think it looks so beautiful. You can definitely see that pink reflect, but it's not over the top. It's not like a duochrome unicorn style highlight. It is definitely really wearable and so beautiful. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today along with brushes. It will be listed down below for you guys to find them easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!